Welcome to Showcase Richmond. I'm Amy Carter. Needing a tooth removed or even several teeth removed is common for people of all ages. Over the past several years, dental implants have become much more commonplace, and now even dentures can be replaced by dental implants. One trusted practice offering the latest in dental implant technology and information is Midlothian Family Dentistry. To tell us more is Dr. William Monisell with Midlothian Family Dentistry. Thank you so much for being on the show.
Thank you, Amy.
So first, start by saying, how have dental implants changed over the years?
Sure. Dental implants have become less expensive, more affordable for patients, less invasive. Healing times have been greatly reduced, and the process has changed a lot to make it easier, much easier for patients.
And what are some of the reasons that dental implants are needed?
Sure. Well, I have a lot of patients who have lost teeth, or they have teeth that they're embarrassed about, and they are so terrified of having to wear something they have to take in and out. And they're terrified that they're going to come to a place where someone might judge him or her about how they got to that point. You know, so what we're trying to tell people is, come here. You know, we're not going to judge you. We're trying to create an environment that's comfortable where you can learn about replacing teeth in a better way.
And we're seeing some of the pictures of the before and after and the huge difference you see in people's smiles. Talk about dental implants in place of denture benefits and the appearance and ease of care.
Well, if you know someone who wears a denture or partial and loves having a denture or partial, good for them, but that is the minority. People are lacking in confidence. They're so worried that their teeth are going to come out when they're eating or talking with people. They're afraid to go out to dinner with their friends and family. And so having the confidence of having something in the mouth that is secure, that looks and feels like natural teeth, is changing people's lives.
And it can really help boost confidence as well.
It really can.
Talk about how the procedure is done.
Sure. Well, I know people are out there, they're hearing about this and they're starting to cringe and sweat a little bit, okay? It's gotten a lot less invasive, and in our practice, where it's a little bit different, it used to be you come to somebody, they send you to the surgeon, you have the implants placed, and you have to go back over here. We have created a place where you can do it all in one location. We have hospital-grade anesthesia right in our office. Don't have to go to the hospital for that. So we can provide sedation so that everything is stress-free, minimal discomfort, and quicker process.
And how long does the process normally take?
Start to finish, depending on where we're starting. Someone who has teeth who needs a do-over, right? Someone who maybe has neglected his teeth, has had some life issues that has affected his ability or her ability to take care of teeth. You know, taking the teeth out and preparing the area for implants, we may get from start to finish in 4 to 6 months. Someone who's starting with dentures might be as soon as a couple of months. But the take-home message is you never have to go without teeth. We always at least have temporary solutions so people can go out and smile and interact with people during the healing process.
And for people wondering if maybe dental implants are right for them, you all have a very special event coming up.
Sure. People, I find, don't know who to trust and they don't know where to go. And so we have created a seminar where people could come, no commitment, just come in and check out our office. Meet the people that are involved that will help to treat you and make you feel comfortable. See our office and see that it doesn't feel like a dental clinic. And learn more about dental implants, the process, the cost, how do we get from A to B.
Everything that you want to know, and that information is right there on your screen. Are dental implants right for you at Midlothian Family Dentistry, taking place on Thursday, February 22nd from 6 to 8 p.m. And of course, there are going to be private consultations and refreshments available there. To find out more information about the services offered at Midlothian Family Dentistry, here's the information on your screen. You can call 804-897-7900. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you, Amy.